The real barometer of a society's progress is the condition of its women. In Indian society, the sad truth is that boys are still preferred to girls.
Despite having been granted equal rights in our constitution, the reality is starkly different. Our next award category for Times Now Amazing Indians is Stree Shakti. This is indeed a very special award. This category salutes women and men who are fighting for women's freedom and for real empowerment. And the nominees are...
This category salutes those fighting for women's liberation, for real empowerment. It also salutes women who stand for Shakti, who have achieved what few can imagine, an epitome of strength. And the nominees are... Babai Sathe was born in a community once considered untouchable and never went to school, but she went on to become the Sarpanch of a village in Maharashtra. Deepa Malik, paralyzed below the chest, this gritty woman turned her life around, converting her disability into an inspiring ability. She is now a successful paraplegic sportswoman. Shafiq Khan is crusading against the social evil of bride trafficking. He has been leading a campaign to combat this form of women exploitation in the Mewat district of Haryana. And Subhash Mindapurkar, who has been fighting for the rights of deserted and divorced women for almost 2 decades in the hills of Himachal.
He joined the Communist Party of India Marxist in 1975 and was arrested during the emergency. He was elected to the Politburo of the CPIM in 1992 and became a member of the Rajya Sabha from West Bengal in July 2005. I welcome on stage Comrade Sitaram Yechuri to give away this award.
This category of Amazing Indians, category Stree Shakti, the winner is Shafiq Khan.
शुक्रिया टाइम्स नाउ उपस्थित जनों। करीब 60 साल से ज़्यादा हो गए हमारे देश को गणतंत्र हुए, और आज भी हमारे देश में स्लेवरी जैसी, गुलामी जैसी चीज़ें मौजूद हैं। ना सिर्फ बॉन्डेड लेबरशिप के रूप में, बल्कि लड़कियों को ख़रीद करके सेक्स स्लेव के तौर पे रखने की प्रथाएं, घिनौनी प्रथाएं, ऐसी चीज़ों से हम लड़ रहे हैं। और जाहिर सी बात है कि एक ऑर्गेनाइज्ड क्राइम के ख़िलाफ़ जब हम लड़ते हैं तो एक ऑर्गेनाइज्ड टीम की ज़रूरत पड़ती है, और वो ऑर्गेनाइज्ड टीम को मैं रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है यहाँ पे अमेजिंग इंडियन। मैं नहीं बल्कि मेरी टीम है, एम्पावर पीपल की पूरी टीम, और उन लड़कियों की पूरी टीम जो उन लड़कियों को रेस्क्यू करने के लिए लगातार काम करती है, फील्ड में स्टिंग ऑपरेशंस करती है, पुलिस का सहयोग लेती है, या जनता को जोड़ती है, या लोकल नेताओं को लेके आती है। मैं साथ साथ में आप लोगों को दावत भी दे दूं, निमंत्रण दे दूं कि आइए कभी इंडिविजुअली, अपने पावर के साथ नहीं, अकेले अकेले आइए, कभी हमसे मिलिए, जुड़िए और स्लेवरी को ख़त्म करने का एक संकल्प ज़रूर लीजिए। धन्यवाद।
Thank you. And we'd also love to hear a few words from you, sir.
Thank you, thank you. Thank you, Shafiq भाई। आपने जो कहा ज़रूर शामिल होंगे हम लोग भी इस तरीके की चीज़ों को रोकने के लिए। But I'd like to thank Times Now, and as Arnab would say, the nation wants to know, when where did you get this idea from? And because it's a wonderful, wonderful idea, from the maze that India is, to find such inspiring real life experiences, I won't call them stories, that would be wrong, real life experiences, is truly inspiring, but tells us what the true potential of our country really is. I mean, it's lying all over. It's only time that we got it all together to really make India realize its potential. There's ancient wisdom that filters down the ages, which tells us for the evil to succeed, whether it's evil like crimes like this, or social evils like poverty, or everything else that we have seen today, for evil to succeed, the good only have to remain silent. Here are the good who have not remained silent. And I hope this will be the source of inspiration for all the other good people, billions, crores of whom are there in our country. And I do hope that this will serve as an inspiration. And I would once again like to thank Times Now, the entire team who are conceived of this idea and who are executing this for this wonderful experience that they are giving to the country. Thank you. Thank you once again.
Thank you, sir. Congratulations.
Our next award is a special category that honors the voices from Mahindra's Spark the Rise campaign, a platform that propels innovation and entrepreneurship.
From an ophthalmologist to a unique newspaper to a courier service and many, many more. These stories are truly a spark of inspiration for all of us. So let's take a look at the nominations.
A big idea often begins with a tiny spark of inspiration, a spark that even ignites a revolution. These are incredible stories from Mahindra's Spark the Rise campaign. And the nominees are Ayyappa Masagi. With his innovative rainwater harvesting techniques, countless farmers and industries in India have reduced their dependency on external sources of water. S-Mart Global, a technology distributor that provides the rural retail shop owners an access to products to improve their customers' lives. Dr. Parvez Ubaid, this ophthalmologist, along with his team of eye specialists, is a messiah for the underprivileged people in the Jorhat city of Assam. Kadam India, it's a step to curb migration of uneducated rural youth to the cities by creating service opportunities within their terrain. Khabar Lahariya. This unique newspaper has impacted the lives of many backward women in the Chitrakoot district of Uttar Pradesh. Mentor Together. Aiming to link the underprivileged youths to professionals, this venture provides mentorship to those who need it the most. Dhruv Lakra. He runs a one-of-its-kind courier service for the deaf adults, providing them with meaningful employment. And Seva Mob, a unique initiative that provides primary healthcare and insurance to low-income consumers in villages near Lucknow.
In this category, we have two winners. And to announce the first winner, I would like to call on stage Senior Vice President, Group Communications, Mahindra Group, Ms. Roma Balwani, along with Senior General Manager, Mahindra Group, Mr. Karthik.
For joining us here on stage. And before we proceed with announcing the winner's name, I'd like you to tell us a little bit more about Spark the Rise.
Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Programs like Amazing Indians, which seek to showcase the extraordinary achievements of ordinary Indians, is wonderfully synergistic with the Mahindra brand idea of Rise and the group purpose of enabling more people to rise. We are extremely proud to have a category, Spark the Rise, included as part of the Amazing Indians program. And we're prouder still of people who've come in to the Amazing Indians program through Spark the Rise, who are present with us today. Spark the Rise, like Amazing Indians, is a platform that we've created where we invite entrepreneurs, innovators, and change agents, basically people who are working at the grassroots to drive positive change in the society and for the country, to come on board, showcase their work, network, and collaborate with like-minded individuals so that they're able to either bring their ideas to life or are able to scale up what they're already doing. And we'd like to thank Times Now for giving this platform an opportunity to be showcased on national television. Spark the Rise as a community is about 300,000 individuals strong today. All of them are innovators and change makers working to drive positive change for India and Indians. Thank you very much, Times Now.
In this category of Spark the Rise, the winner is Khabar Laheria.
May I now call on stage Air Chief Marshal Fali Major and Mr. Sudhir Dar, members of our esteemed jury, to announce the next winner.
The winner is Dhruv Lakra.
Congratulations. We'd love to hear a few words from you.
I was told I was supposed to keep it short, so I'm just going to say thank you in sign language. And I want people to know more of sign. So it's very simple. Everybody can just do it. So you will have to hold the mic for that. This is thank you in sign language. This does not mean anything else. So don't get me wrong.
All of you witnessed the nominees and the winners for this wonderful, innovative show put up by Times Now. I'm sure Sudhir will agree with me, as with the other jury members, that it was indeed a very, very tough task in selecting the winners. Each one was better than the other. And like many speakers before us have said, if we were to look very carefully in this country of 1 billion plus, I'm sure there would be many, many more such outstanding individuals available to do much more for the country than what is being presently done. Thank you. Sudhir.
Thank you. It says life is a garden. You have the seeds. You can either have flowers or you can have weeds. These are people who are creating flowers, beautiful gardens, and God bless them. Thank you so much. You are amazing. You're incredible. You're outstanding Indians. I salute you.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you and congratulations.